Reforms made by Sher Shah. Sher Shah ruled over Delhi for 5 years. He introduced many reforms during this short span and is therefore better known as a reformer than a warrior. With Todarmal's help, he prepared a table for revenue collection based on the type of land and production. Akbar followed the same method for revenue collection. He removed the toll booths so that there could be free transportation of goods. He constructed roads to increase trade and for the convenience of pedestrians, among which the famous roads were constructed between Agra and Burhanpur, Agra and Marwar, Lahore and Mulan. He also planted trees on both the sides of road and constructed rest houses. He had set up mint houses to mint silver coins uniform in weight. He was very strict about the discipline of the army and had therefore strictly ordered the army not to harass the villagers or destroy crops while marching. During his reign, Kotwals were responsible for arresting criminals. Sher Shah was himself very active and motivated others too by keeping them busy at work. Students, Sher Shah Suri was an Afghan ruler who established his rule in Delhi. He ruled only for 5 years but became quite famous as a great reformer. He was more famous as a reformer than a warrior. With the help of Todarmal, he classified land on the basis of its type and productivity. Based on this classification, both of them prepared a table for collecting land revenue. When Akbar came into power, he followed the same method of revenue collection. Sher Shah removed octroi so that trade and transport of goods could increase. He also constructed roads to increase the trade and for the convenience of pedestrians. Famous roads were constructed between Agra and Burhanpur, Agra and Marwar, and Lahore and Mulan during his reign. Trees were planted on both the sides of the roads. Guest houses and inns were constructed on the highways for the comfort of travelers. He established mint houses so that uniform silver coins could be produced. He was very strict about the discipline of army. He strictly ordered his army not to harass the villagers and also took care that the army did not destroy the crops while marching. Local police officers, known as Kotwal, were responsible for recording crimes in their books during his rule. Sher Shah himself was very active and he always kept others too motivated by making them work hard. Students, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel Asma Babwani. Click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Like the videos, share the videos and do comment on all the videos.